My favorite thing about this space is...
I'm gonna think about that for a second.
There's really unlimited creative freedom.
You can just see something and think of ideas to, like, ways to use it.
You get to meet people who are like doing the same things as us.
I guess I just love the passion that all the students have for the projects that they're working on. That's what attracted me to this place initially. One of my favorite things about the Wilson Center is the fact that there are so many different project teams in the space together.
It's a strong community within each project team. It's a strong community between project teams.
The students are really fully in charge of the project that they're doing, and you have opportunities to mess up and learn from your failure, and I think that that is really important.
I think it's a brilliant place to actually apply real learnings from class, which are often really theoretical, and put it to work, but also put it to work under a time crunch, under a budget crunch, and then take it globally to compete against universities from all over the world.
I think this place is kind of great.
The way that it's changed me is...
I guess the Wilson Center has changed me because it's made me a lot more willing to admit that I don't know something.
It's definitely given me more resilience.
I think the Wilson Center has been a really important part of making me really believe that I can try new things and be successful at them.
Initially, I was scared. I was really scared before I came here, and that's like part of why it took me so long to get involved. But like once I did get here, I feel like asking questions and saying, I don't know what that is, can you explain it to me, became a lot easier, kind of in all aspects of my life too, not just here.
Students here, you will run into a lot of obstacles. We're all here figuring it out on our own. So you will fail. It's a part of the process, expect it. And I think it's made me much more resilient for that.
I have struggled a lot with confidence overall in kind of my academic career.
I would say confidence. I'm much more both like proud and not afraid to just come up with ideas.
There's a lot of fear around being the person that messes something up. And I think for that reason, I also felt less inclined to experiment with like new materials, new tools.
I think when you start out as engineering, you always encounter people that think their idea is better than yours. But I think being surrounded by so many engineers that all are supportive of, you know, getting this car to go on the road, any idea, honestly, is really good for everyone to hear.
Being a part of Concrete Canoe, like for me in particular, made me less afraid to make mistakes and to experiment. I think that flexibility just gave me a lot more confidence, personally.
So how would I prepare the space for the next 25 years?
I'd probably just make the space bigger.
These teams are becoming more popular because people realize that there's no better way to learn engineering than to do it.
So if I could wave a magic wand and just make more happen, I would say exactly that. Just give the center the capacity, the funding, the space to just host more teams, because you're going to see more and more people just come in, do some really cool, really crazy projects that just helps, you know, build the brand of the Wilson Center, showcase the talent that's within our university, and make our engineers, you know, the best they can be.
I think the Wilson Center is a hidden gem on campus.
There's so much fantastic learning that happens here.
The fact that this exists as a part of the university is the best kind of self-teaching ecosystem that I can possibly think of.